Well, this year marks a major milestone for the Paso del Norte Health Foundation. Well, joining us now, we have Tracy Yellen, the Paso del Norte Health Foundation CEO, and Jana Renner, the Senior Program Officer. Thank you so much for your time today. I know this is a major milestone for the Paso del Norte Health Foundation. So, Tracy, can you tell us what you're celebrating exactly?
Yes, Nicole, thank you so much for having us. The Paso del Norte Health Foundation is celebrating its 30th anniversary this year. We were founded in 1995 when Tenet Corporation, which owns the Hospitals of Providence, sold Providence Memorial Hospital, which seeded an endowment from which we invest in health education and disease prevention. We work with over 300 organizations, nonprofits, academic institutions in El Paso, southern New Mexico, and Juarez to invest in smoking and vaping initiatives, health, nutrition, physical activity, diabetes, mental health, initiatives that really help us live happy, healthy, productive lives.
You're doing great things for our community. So as part of the 30th anniversary, you're launching a series on the Health Foundation's 30 years of impact. So can you tell us what to expect?
You know, it's really important. We want to acknowledge all of the partners we've worked with over 30 years, looking back at initiatives like Walk El Paso Walk or now Diabetes Now What. Also look at what we're doing today and really invite the community, residents from across our region to get involved in the programs and services that our partners provide with funding support and collaboration with the Health Foundation.
Well, where can people follow along with the campaign for support?
Yes, we invite everyone to go to our website, pdnhf.org, and you can learn more about the anniversary. You can learn more about our 3 priority areas, healthy living, disease prevention, specifically around diabetes and mental health, and then health leadership, investing in key significant initiatives in El Paso like the dental school and cancer center at Texas Tech, also nursing and OT and PT programs at UTEP, and all of the work that our nonprofit partners do with vaping prevention. You know, smoking rates have decreased from 24% to a low of 11%. You know, have increased now because of vaping, but that's the work that our community can do together to help us all be healthier.
Well, I had a chance to look at the website, and it's very user-friendly, and it has a lot of useful information, so I recommend you check it out. Well, Jana, since April is Physical Activity Month, tell us about the foundation and how it has supported the area over the past 30 years.
Sure. So you all may remember Walk El Paso. It's one of our probably most memorable campaigns from the early 2000s. It was a really simple campaign to give people simple tips to get out and start walking if they didn't have an exercise routine, coupled with walking groups so people had peer support to keep that habit going. We also did some work in the schools with our Catch program. In that, we've trained physical education teachers to really get kids moving more throughout PE, not have as much sedentary time, and doing really fun activities so kids started enjoying doing physical activity and hopefully building healthy habits that'll last throughout their lifetime. And then more recently, over the past 7 years, we've moved to the looking at the built environment, trying to expand trail networks in the city and the county. With the Paso del Norte Trail. We know that people are more likely to get out and walk if they feel safe and comfortable, and so expanding these trails is really an important step to helping people getting out either to walk or bike recreationally or even to use the trail to get from one place to another.
Well, what makes physical activity such a powerful tool for improving your health and quality of life?
Sure. So I think a lot of people focus on the long-term effects of physical activity coupled with healthy eating, not smoking, getting enough sleep. It can really help prevent chronic disease throughout your lifetime or delay it. Being physically active helps keeps our bones and muscles strong, so we're able to have a better quality of life as we age. But I'd also like people to remember that there are really short-term benefits to physical activity, to your mental health. Just getting out and doing a quick walk can improve your mood, can help relieve stress, and For example, we know that kids that walk to school come to school and they're able to focus better in the morning. And so doing physical activity has a lot of benefits in the short term as well.
Not to mention you look better, you feel better.
Exactly.
Well, are there any events coming up that we need to know about?
You know, we had a lot of events this past year, a lot of tree planting events on the trail to help improve that shade canopy so that the trails will be cooler. And we've had some cleanups. We haven't had any recently, and we don't have any planned in the summer because of the heat, but look at the Paso del Norte Trail website, and we'll see some events in the fall.
All right, I'll have this information posted at kvie.com. Happy 30th anniversary. Thank you both for your time today.
Thank you.
Thank you.